Hello everyone, today we're diving into the charming world of rustic home decor with these storage crate decorative wood crates. A set of 3 beautifully crafted wooden storage containers that bring both functionality and vintage style to any room in your house. These crates feature a rustic distressed look, making them perfect for adding a touch of farmhouse elegance to your living space. Whether you're organizing water bottles and wine in the kitchen or storing CDs and remotes in the living room. The set includes 3 rectangular nesting crates of varying sizes, offering versatile options for all your storage and display needs, from pantry items to party decorations. With dimensions of 13.3 by 9.8 by 6.8 inches for the large crate, 11.8 by 7.7 by 6.4 inches for the medium, and 10.4 by 5.8 by 6.1 inches for the small. These crates are designed to fit seamlessly into any space, enhancing the rustic and elegant atmosphere of your home. Whether used in the bedroom, kitchen, or as a charming centerpiece at a country-style wedding, these wooden crates are both practical and decorative, making them a delightful housewarming gift for family, friends, and colleagues. And remember, if you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, just let us know, and we'll be sure to assist you within 24 hours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.